So here's how to use Google Translate on Android devices. First, you want to open the Google Play Store, and then you want to search for Google Translate and download it and install it. From here, you can click on install. I have it already installed, so I can open it. Now you will simply need to paste the text that you want to translate in here. So you can either press and hold with the finger and choose paste, or you can simply press the paste button, and then from here you can click the source language, which is you can set specifically or set to detect automatically, and then the language you want to translate to. So you can pick any language that you want to translate to, and now it should translate it after a while. Now what you can do as well is use the microphone, so you can press the microphone and talk in the microphone, and it will translate automatically. So for that to work, you will need to select a specific language because it cannot detect automatically. Now you can simply hold the mic and talk, maybe say a word like test or something, and it should start translating it. Now you can go back and also use the camera. So you can take pictures of with the camera and then translate them in real time. So you can click on open camera and then point the camera to the text that you want to translate and choose the languages from English to Arabic, for example. And then you want to take a picture, and it should translate it on the spot and the picture. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.